What if I told you that the most powerful computer you'll ever need can now fit in the palm of your hand? For years, we thought bigger meant better, but Apple is about to prove everyone wrong. The tech world is buzzing because 2026 is shaping up to be the year of the value king. We aren't talking about a massive tower or a $3,000 laptop. We are talking about the M5 Mac Mini. This tiny silver box is about to change the game for students, creators, and gamers alike. While everyone is staring at the latest iPhones, the real revolution is happening on your desk. The Mac Mini has always been a fan favorite, but the M4 model we saw last year really set the stage. It was the biggest leap in the product's 20-year history. Steve Jobs started this journey in 2005 with the G4, aiming for something small and affordable. Today, for around $600, you simply cannot build a faster desktop. It is compact, capable, and uses almost no power. But the upcoming M5 model is taking that foundation and turning it into a powerhouse. Even though we didn't get a new Mini this year, the leaks for 2026 are massive. According to top insiders like Mark Gurman, the jump from M4 to M5 is going to be significant, especially for people who care about speed and graphics. Let's talk numbers because the performance boost is where the M5 shines. We are looking at a GPU that is 18% faster in professional apps like Blender and a staggering 33% faster in heavy games like Cyberpunk. If you thought Macs weren't for gaming, the M5 might change your mind. On the CPU side, expect a 15% jump in single-core tasks and 16% in multi-core work. This means everything from opening apps to rendering video will feel smoother. Plus, the neural engine is getting an 18% boost. This is huge for AI tasks, video upscaling, and running large language models right on your machine. Apple already moved the base RAM to 16 gigabytes, which was a great move, and the M5 Pro version will likely start at 24 gigabytes to keep up with heavy workloads. Under the hood, leak code reveals the M5 Mac Mini is being developed under the name J873S for the Pro and J873G for the standard version. Don't expect a massive redesign, though. Apple just updated the look last year, and they usually stick with the design for a long time. You will still get the classic ports, with the Pro model likely featuring 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports on the back. While we hope for Thunderbolt ports on the front, it's a feature Apple usually saves for their more expensive machines. Expect the same reliable Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth, though there's a small hope the Pro version might sneak in Wi-Fi 7. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. The Mac Studio is also getting the M5 Max and M5 Ultra treatment. Interestingly, Apple is skipping the M4 Ultra entirely. The biggest news here is customization. In a move that feels like the old Intel days, Apple might let you customize CPU and GPU blocks separately. This means you won't have to pay for a massive CPU just to get a better GPU. This flexibility is a dream for professionals. On the flip side, it looks like the end of the road for the Mac Pro. It hasn't been updated in years and still runs on the M2 Ultra. Reports suggest Apple is pulling the plug on the Mac Pro because the Mac Studio is simply too good. Why pay $7,000 for a giant tower when a $4,000 studio does the same job? In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is the smartest purchase anyone can make in 2026. It represents the perfect balance of price and power. Most of us don't need a massive workstation. We need something reliable, fast, and quiet. The Mac Mini delivers exactly that without breaking the bank. It is truly the value king of the Apple Silicon era. If you're looking to upgrade, waiting for the M5 in mid-2026 is the best move you can make. It's rare to see a product get this much faster while keeping the same entry-level price. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.